guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have an Easter DIY for you from the Dollar Tree. I think it's going to be really cute and I'm excited, so let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make the project. You're going to need some Mod Podge. I just have the matte, and you're going to need a napkin, just one of these little paper napkins, whatever kind you want, but I thought this was really cute. Now, I didn't get this particular napkin from the Dollar Tree, but everything else is from the Dollar Tree except the Mod Podge, but you can buy that in a small amount there. But I just thought that was really pretty. You're going to need one of these round candle holders, and then you're going to need some of this little straw-like stuff that they sell. You could use Spanish moss and it would be gorgeous, but I've developed an allergy to the Spanish moss that the Dollar Tree has. I don't really know why, so I'm going to use this instead, but you can get that there as well. And then one of these little bunnies, you're going to need that. And you're going to need some eggs. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or these or these. They're all really small. And then you're going to need a flat candle holder, and then some sort of decorative knob. I bought this one. Now this also did not come from the Dollar Tree. It came from, I think it was Lowe's, and I think I paid like $2 or $3 for it, but it's really pretty. Then you're going to need a glue gun, and that is it. So let's get started with the project. Let me flip this down. Okay, we're going to open our little bunny first. What I'm going to do is decoupage this bunny with this napkin and then make a cloche out of it. I'm really excited. And then this just, you can wiggle this out real easy, that the string is in the top of the bunny like that, and it comes right out. And I'm just going to wipe him off just to make sure he doesn't have any chalk residue or anything on him, because he felt a little funny. Okay, and then what you want to do is separate your napkin. Here we go. Okay, this is just a one-ply napkin, meaning that it just has one layer behind it. But you just separate that like that. And then you just figure out what design you want on your bunny. I think I'm just going to and I'm going to tear it. I think that finished edge might look a lot better if I just sort of tear it. So we're going to see what we can get with this. I'll put that on, and then I'll come back and tear some more. Okay, you're going to need a foam brush. And what I'm going to do is just dip this down in my Mod Podge and coat my bunny really well with this. It's going to be a messy project, but I think it's going to give it a really cute look. Okay. Then what we're going to do, and you're going to need some saran wrap. Excuse me. Now we're just going to put this right on the bunny and use our saran wrap to start just sort of wiping this on the bunny. And I don't really care if it has wrinkles, because I want it to look kind of old and vintage. Like maybe I found this in an estate sale or something. But I do want to be able to tell that it is a bunny. Okay, let me get some scissors. I'll be right back. Okay. Now I'm just going to cut right through here, because like I said, I want to be able to tell that this is a bunny, and I want to get his ears. And this is too long right in here, too much. So I'm just going to cut that. And right here I have a little bit too much. It's really hard to mess this up. Okay. Now I'm just going to go and add a little bit more Mod Podge because I'm not quite through. Have a little bit more to do. Okay, and I'm just going to take this and put it right about like this. And just continue to Mod Podge. I hope you can see. This is what we're getting so far. I think he's cute. He looks almost like he's fabric, like he has fabric on him. But I've sprayed these before and I thought, surely there's something else I can do with these bunnies. And then I was like, oh yeah, I could try to Mod Podge them. And I think it's going to turn out really cute. Here's this piece that we cut off earlier. I'll just pull it and put it right here. And then I have this piece. I'll put this right here. And then we almost have him covered. But if you use the saran wrap, it'll help your fingers from sticking to, oh, there's a little spot I almost missed. Like this right here, like I just stuck. It'll keep your fingers from doing that. We will put a little bit behind his ear here. Need to add a little bit more Mod Podge and then put this behind his ear. Oh, he's cute. He really is. Now what we're going to do is just allow him to dry so that he doesn't get messed up. I'm just going to set him down and let him dry because my fingers are trying to stick to him and I don't want to ruin what I have. So let me patch this right here. There, he's starting to dry now and I can touch him better. But this, his bottom is still kind of tacky, but this is what we have. You can see, you can still tell he's a bunny. And I think it gives him a super kind of upscale vintage look. So while he's drying, we're going to set this aside. And we're going to get our little candle holder like this. And then all I'm going to do is just put some of this straw in it. This is such a simple DIY, but I think it's going to give it such a nice look. This stuff does get everywhere though. I'm just going to put this in here. Like I said, the Spanish moss would be beautiful. But unfortunately, right now, I can't use it. Okay, then what we're going to do is go ahead and I think I'm going to try to go ahead and glue him in there. I'm just going to nestle him down right in here. I may not even glue him. You wouldn't even have to glue him. He'll just set right there like that. I think that's cute. Okay, now all we need to determine is, I think I might try these eggs because they look older. And I just want to kind of put a few in here. Not a lot. I just want to maybe let one rest under his paw. And just sprinkle some around in here to give it a little bit more color. Make it a little more lively and Eastery. I love these blue ones. I think they're gorgeous. I'm not going to put that many in here. Just put a few. Okay, and we are almost finished. Now you could, if you wanted, maybe put a little flower in there with him, but I don't think I want to. And I don't even know really if I like those eggs, to be honest. I don't think so. Well, I think I will glue him just so that he'll set flush. Okay, there that is. Then I'm going to just set this right over the top, and I don't care that this straw is coming around it out. I wanted it to do that. And then I'm just going to take this little top, I think this is going to be so cute, and glue it right on top of here. And then you have a really pretty Easter cloche that you could later turn into a spring one. So I want to put just a little bit more right in here on the edge, I think so. And this is what we have. I think he is so adorable. A little bunny in there, and you can tell he's a bunny. I really do think it would have been prettier with the Spanish moss, but like I said, I just can't use it. So I'm going to set this out and show you where I'm going to put it, but I think he's really adorable. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I decided to put this in my bathroom. I think it is so adorable, and like I said, you can definitely tell he's a bunny, and he just looks so happy, and he does look vintage. I really like the effect that the decoupage did on him. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.